YouTubers. Every channel has a number, but you cannot know what is your number.
You're my samurai, perfect picture camera. I'm in love with all your ways, no need to worry, bro.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. If you're new, you're welcome as well. In today's video, I have good news for all small YouTubers out there. If your channel is under 1000 subscribers, this video is literally for you. If your channel has gained 1000 subscribers but you're not monetized, this is your video. Please pay attention as we go through this video. I'm going to tell you something about this channel, this particular channel that you're actually watching. This channel, I created it in 2020. It was around June, and I didn't create this channel as a content creator, a commercial content creator. I just created this channel for fun. Now, with time, according to the videos I was uploading, I could actually upload anything I feel like. I could upload spoken word poetries, I could upload anything I felt like I want, skits and stuff. So after some time, my channel gained subscribers and my channel went viral. I uploaded a lot of videos, by the way. I could upload every day sometimes. Sometimes after like 2 days, I upload a video. I remember it was around 100 and something videos when none of my videos even had 1000 views. And I could just upload. Remember, as I said, I created this channel just for fun. So I could upload, I couldn't mind whether my videos are getting views or not. So as I kept on uploading, I reached 160 video. So my 160 video is the video that actually went viral, and I remember that video hit 20,000 views in only 3 days. It was 3 days. I remember that video hit 20,000 views in 3 days. And what I remember about that video, it was a spoken word poetry that I made, and I was actually featuring my girlfriend. So I realized it, but I didn't actually put it in my mind that the reason why that video went viral, it is because my number had reached. So there is also another story. I have a friend of mine, he's called Dan. Dan also created the channel, and for him, he was actually uploading vlogs, and he wanted to do YouTube for business. So Dan uploaded videos. He used to upload videos. He uploaded videos up to 200 videos, and he kept on uploading. So as he reached 206 videos, the 206th videos went viral. So it means that Danny's number was 206. So what do I tell you all of this? I tell you all of this because I want to let you know that the good news I have for you, every channel, every YouTube channel has a number. And you may not be viral, you may have uploaded good content, quality content, and no video is going viral. My brother, my sister, don't quit YouTube because of that. Just know that the number of your channel has not reached yet. Just keep on uploading those good videos, keep on uploading the quality videos, keep on uploading. Don't quit YouTube. You haven't yet got your number. Keep on uploading. You never know what is the number of your channel. Is it 10 videos? Is it 20 videos? Is it 100 videos? 206 as Dan was. My number was 160. So I actually deleted my videos because I realized I had to change this channel to make it a commercial channel, and the niche that I was actually making, it wasn't a niche that it can be a long-term kind. You know, YouTube is a long-term business, so you have to pick a niche that you can actually manage to create 3 years, 10 years, or 5 years, because YouTube is a long-term business. And I actually want to tell you, before you begin up a channel, you have to choose a niche that you know you will be making videos for more than 3-5 years. Alright, so the good news I have for you guys is that your channels have particular numbers and you cannot know when is your number. So what you have to do, you have to keep on uploading videos. I'm not actually saying that you should begin uploading a lot of videos like per day. Just keep the pace you're using to upload a video. If you upload 1 video per week, 2 videos per week, or whatever you upload your videos, just keep that momentum. But just wait for your number to reach. Don't quit YouTube, my friend. Don't quit YouTube. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That was for today. Peace.